Having multiple streams of income is the new thing in our time today. So whether you have a job or you have a business or you have anything that you're doing, having different places where money is coming in is the best thing that you can do for yourself right now. And that's why in this video, I'll be sharing with you over 15 ways that you can make money, and it is very profitable. And the best part about it is that these ways require little or no capital for you to start or for you to run. So without so much talk, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beth Fayemi. I'm an entrepreneur and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And in today's video, just like I said before, I'm sharing with you over 15 ways that you can make money online with little or no capital that are very profitable. People are already cashing out, so that's why I want you to cash out as well. If today's your first time of seeing me on my channel, you're most highly welcome. I hope that after this video, it will give you a reason or two to subscribe to my channel. And without so much talk, let's get to the video because we know that time is money. The first way that you can make money online is by monetizing your skill. You may have heard this before or you may not have heard this before, but this is a gold mine and so many people are doing it right now. So you may have a skill or two that you know how to do very well, that you do with ease. There is someone out there that doesn't know how to do it, that wants to learn. There is someone out there that would pay you to do it for them. Monetize it. Monetize your skill. This is something that I feel that everybody should do. If you have knowledge about something, let's say at home you just like cook and all of that, why not write a cookbook? I mean, that's a skill that you monetize. Build your online platforms, you know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, your website, anything that you want to use to drive people to notice you. Do that because it's a very, very good gold mine. You do your classes, do coaches, so many things. A lot of people are monetizing their skills right now, especially this COVID period, because you know people were thinking of ways to start making money, and so many people jumped into the boat of monetizing your skill. And I would advise that you also jump into that boat of monetizing your skill. And if you're saying, "Oh, Beth, I don't have a skill to monetize," I know some people think that they don't have skills to monetize. If you don't have a skill, my best advice for you is to go and learn a skill. Yes, learn a skill that you can monetize, because this is a very good thing for you to do, because it really requires no capital for you to start, except if you're going to learn a skill. Actually, that's when you need capital to can learn the skill, or except you use YouTube, you know, where you're watching this video right now. But monetizing your skill is the first way that you can make money online. The second way you can make money online is by becoming a social media manager. So social media management is basically managing the online presence of brands on social media. So online presence like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, you know, all those social media platforms that brands use. So some brands don't know how to use it very well. They don't really know how to use their presence well on those platforms, and that's why they're really lacking on those platforms. So they're looking for skilled people who would work for their company in order for them to, you know, grow on those platforms. If you use Instagram a lot, let's say you even have a business, I know how Instagram works, why not become a social media manager and do for brands? Then now imagine in a month you're working for like 3 brands. Now don't take on too many jobs that you know you cannot handle, but let's say you can handle like 3 jobs a month, and each brand is paying you about like 40,000 naira times 3, 120,000 naira. That's cool cash for just managing social media accounts of a knowledge that you already knew. And I'm going to say this: if you want to become a social media manager, please learn the skill very well and don't overpromise. You know, I'm not even going to go to social media management right now because that's not what we're talking about today. But if you want to become a social media manager, learn it very well so that you can work for the brand effectively. If you use Facebook a lot and you know how Facebook works, I don't know why you're not managing people's pages on Facebook, because there's some brands that are just like really only on Instagram because they don't know how Facebook works. Manage their page on Facebook, help their page to grow, help their brand to grow. By the time they even start seeing that, you know, you're very profitable to them, they'll start increasing your salary. Trust me, a lot of people are making money from becoming social media managers today. So now the third way that you can make money online is mini importation. So mini importation is just basically importing at a very small scale. So this requires little capital to start, because you can just really start at small scale. If it's bags, you know, a couple of bags here and there, a couple of accessories here and there, in order for you to even test the market. Or if you have like just little cash saved up somewhere, you can start mini importation. If you don't know how to start this, a lot of people actually do mini importation classes. I can't recommend any right now because I don't know anyone that is actually really good, but mini importation is actually a very good business for you to start. I know quite a number of people that started with mini importation and their brand grew so large that now they import in bulk. They even have stores. So yes, mini importation is actually a very good business. Just set up your online platform in the best possible way that you can, and you start cashing out. So that's my third way. So guys, the fourth way that you can make money online with no capital is branding business. So, you know, making paper bags for brands, making branded nylons, business cards. I know you'll be like, but wait, you said no capital. Yes, no capital. All you have to do is to find someone that does that, and then you just be like the middleman, basically. So you create your online platform. Nobody needs to know you're not the one doing that. All your brand has to do is just to be trustworthy. They don't have to visit your store. I make paper bags for my businesses. I don't know their stores. I don't know if they have any store. All they have to do is just deliver it to my location and I'm fine. So you can start it. If you go to places like, I think, Shumolu or Lagos Island, there are so many printing companies over there that you can partner with. And then when you get a client, you just tell them to print it out and you deliver to your clients. That's one very easy way of making money. So this is similar to drop servicing actually, which I'm going to talk about later in this video. But it is a very good way for you to make money with no capital. Just build your online presence, whatever platform that you want to major on. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like I always say. So just build up your platform, and by the time you start getting customers, you start getting your cool cash. So branding business is the fourth way that you can make money online with no capital. So now the fifth way that you can make money online with little capital is thrift business. Guys, this is the business that you can literally triple your profit. So imagine getting a dress for 500 naira and then you're selling it online for like 2,000 naira. There are some thrift stores that I see that they sell dresses as high as 5,000 naira. You'd be like, second hand Okurika for 5,000 naira. Yes, and they're selling and they're making a lot of money actually. So starting a thrift business is actually very good because you only need little capital for you to start and then you're cashing out. Guys, it is a very good business for you to start. So if you're looking for something small to start with as little as 10,000 naira, I really tell people to start with what they have, honestly. Start with what you have. With as little as 10,000 naira, take that 10,000 naira to the market. If you buy tops of 500 naira, that's 20 tops. Start advertising for that. Tell people to buy. If you sell one top for 1,000 or 1,500, you're making your profit already. Like that, you start growing, you start stocking up better things, and like that, your business will start growing. So that is the fifth way that I can make money online with little capital. So the sixth way you can make money online with no capital is drop servicing. You know, I spoke on this earlier. Yes. So drop servicing is basically advertising for a service that you yourself, you don't render it, but you know someone else that renders it. This is actually a business that most people don't yet know. So the market is not yet saturated. So it's something that you can do. People don't have to know that you're not the one doing it. All you have to do is find someone that's credible that can do it for you, and then you're good to go. So you can do drop servicing for basically almost any service actually. And you know, so many other services actually that people don't have to see face to face. All they have to do is to interact with you over the phone. And even if they have to see you face to face, it's not like you may have to walk there and then in front of them. And even if you have to walk there and then in front of them, you advertise, you're like the manager of the brand. So when they need your service, you get your guy or your girl goes there, does the job for you, and that's fine. You collect your calls, you pay. That's fine. That's another way of making money with no capital. All you have to do, like I've said before, is build your online presence and you're good to go. The seventh way you can make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant for a brand. So this is kind of similar to social media management, but just that this is more work, because in this one I don't think you can work for multiple brands at the same time, because if you're working for a brand full time, you have to like really be dedicated full time for everything they're doing. So with virtual assistants, you have to basically be in charge of a lot of things for brands, you know their meetings, their online presence, so many things. And if you want to become a virtual assistant, there's so many free courses that you can Google and find out and take on it, so that you can become a good virtual assistant for brands, and then you'll be earning your cool cash. Virtual assistant, if you're good, because it's quite stressful, more than social media management, the pay that you'll be getting can actually be really good. So it's a good business for you to go into as well. So the eighth way you can make money online with no capital is drop shipping. Guys, I have a dedicated video on drop shipping, which I'm going to link up here, and I'm also going to be talking about in my consequent videos, because you guys have been asking me a lot of questions on that video, and I'm going to make videos on them. But drop shipping is a very good way for you to make money with no capital. Now, what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is basically advertising for products that you don't have on ground. All you have to do is when they order, your supplier will just ship directly to them. They don't even know that you're the one that is shipping the products to them. Anyways, you guys, the link is also going to be in the description if you want to know how to start and run a successful dropshipping business. I would advise that you watch it after this video, because you will learn a lot, just like people have already learned from that video. Because I've been getting so many mails from you guys. You guys have been thanking me even on my Instagram for making that video, and I'm actually really grateful that you guys are watching that video, because that video is kind of blowing up. So you know what, let's move on. So the ninth way you can make money online is by becoming a freelance writer. So you can become a freelance writer for blogs, for magazines. If you can write very well, just like I even said in my first point about monetizing your skill, this is a skill for you to monetize. So you can just write articles for blogs, and then they pay you here, they pay you there, they pay you everywhere that you write for them. Just build up your skill well, so that they would even want you to work for their company. So you don't really have to work full-time in any like company per se. You could just like be writing articles for them weekly, maybe twice a week or monthly, depending on the contract between you and the company in question. So freelance writing is actually a very good skill. If you can write, try freelance writing. It's a good way for you to actually make money online. So now the 10th way that you can make money online is by becoming a content creator. You probably may have heard this one before, because it's like something that almost everybody on social media is doing right now. Not everybody actually, the market is not actually saturated yet, but content creator is actually a very good business for you to go into. So what is content creating generally? It's just as the name says, content creator. You create content for brands. Some brands don't know what to post. Some brands don't know what to type. Some brands are very clueless in what to post on the social media platforms. You don't have to work for them. All you have to do is create content for them. You can create content for multiple brands and you're making your money. You can even create content calendar, because this is something that a lot of content creators are not even doing. You can create content calendar for them. So they pay you. You can charge as high as 20,000 naira, because that is actually quite small considering the fact that you're planning out their content for an entire month. So all you have to do is really sit down and then plan what they're going to post each day of the month, and then they pay you. You create the calendar for brand A, brand B, brand C, and you're making your cool money. Tell me what is better than that. So content creation is a very good way, and content creating, you can actually monetize it very easily. You can coach people, you can make your digital products on it. You know, you can make money in so many different ways by becoming a content creator. So content creator is my number 10 way in order for you to make money online with no capital, just your skill. Another way that you can make money online is by being a personal trainer. So people need personal trainers and things like fitness. So if you're a fitness enthusiast and you just like train yourself at home, or maybe train your mom or your sister or your brother or someone at home, why not bring that online? Why not teach people? I've seen these days, especially during this COVID period, so many people are doing these fitness courses because people have gained weight a lot, and so many people are trying to lose that weight. People are making their courses affordable, their classes affordable, so that a lot of people can pay and they can cash out really easy from things that they do like every day. So becoming a personal trainer is one very good way for you to make money online with just the skill that you already do every other day. The 12th way that you can make money online is by selling digital products. You know, I spoke on digital products when I was talking about content creation. Yes, so you can sell digital products of literally anything. If you bake, write a cookbook, write something that, you know, people can learn, or video yourself, you know, baking something, sell it to people that are interested. Video yourself making those delicious jollof rice that you usually do, post it up, advertise it very well, package it very well, and then start selling your products. Digital products like ebooks, like videos, like documents, like anything that you can literally not see but you can sell to people and people can learn from it. It's the digital product. So selling digital products is one very easy way for you to make money online with no capital at all. And now the next way that you can make money online is by becoming an affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing is basically like advertising for brands. They'll give you a link that if people should buy through that link, they would get their money. Like for example, Jumia, Konga, all these shopping sites, they really have affiliate links. So all you have to do is just to register under their affiliate program, and then, you know, those your friends that like to shop on Jumia very well, just tell them to use your link. By the time they use your link, Jumia will just give you a percentage out of it. The money may not be so much depending on people that shop, but it's something that is coming in and you're not really spending any money. So those that just use your link to shop, you get money from it. So it is a very good way for you to make money online with no capital. You're just really relaxing and someone is shopping and then you're getting your cut out of it. It's a very good way for you to make money online. The 14th way that you can make money online with no capital is email marketing. Guys, this is a gold mine that people have not yet discovered. Now, what is email marketing? Email marketing is generally marketing in the email. That's basically it. So brands have emails of their customers, and they don't even message them on their emails. Some customers have even forgotten that they bought from a particular brand. They can't remember the name anymore. So why not become email marketer? That all you have to do is to compose the mail for brands, and then they send it out to their clients. As long as you know that you can compose mails that are very converting, that will convert to sales, trust me, brands will not want to let you go. Once they know that, okay, you create emails in a very good way, and then when they send it out to their customers, they get a couple of people to buy, and then the amount that they buy covers up your salary, your charge, and every other thing. Of course, they want you to keep coming and creating mails for them. So email marketing is actually a very good way. If you write well, you know that you can convert people to, you know, buy. If you're a marketer, it is a very good thing that you can go into. Just reach out to brands, tell them that you can do this, you can do that. You can just really build up yourself, put your skill out there, and then brands are actually looking for this. And like I said, you don't have to look for the mails. They have the mails. Just have to compose the message that is converting to sales for the brands. So email marketing is a very good way for you to make money with no capital online. So now the 15th way that you can make money online is by becoming an online sales rep. So online sales rep is basically becoming like the customer representative of a brand online. So you don't have to go to the office every day. You most likely may not see the boss like every time. You may see the boss like when you need to do like a meeting or something, and these days people do virtual meetings, so you don't have to like come to the office every time. So you can become sales rep for different brands depending on the brands. But if you're taking on a large brand, please don't go and overwork yourself and then take on other brands and then your work will start slacking. No. But becoming an online sales rep is very, very good. In your spare time, something that you can just really go into, get brands before. All you have to do is just really reply their customers. That's it. That's your job. And if you know you're a very polite person, it's something that you can definitely go into. And like I said, it requires no capital at all. Just type from your phone. And most times they give data allowance as well. So they're buying your data. You're just replying their customers for them. That is a very good way. And also, if you have the skill of converting clients like in the DM, you can really close sales in the DM. Guys, monetize that as well. Tell brands that you can do that and they will pay you well, because everybody wants to close sales in the DMs. So it is a very good way for you to make money online with little capital, with no capital actually. So guys, the 16th way that you can make money online is by becoming a graphic designer for small brands. Now I know you'll be like, oh, but I don't have graphic designing skills, I cannot do this. I know that graphic designing is a very technical skill, but you can learn it on a small scale using like simple apps, little Photoshop here and there, little Canva here and there, and then make little templates for brands on social media, because so many brands actually don't know how to do these things. You know, you see them design some ugly flyers and post it on their Instagram. Why not advertise yourself to them and tell them that this is what you can do and your charge is affordable to them, because we're talking about small businesses here, so you don't want to call one outrageous price that will push them away. So you know, you just learn how to use Canva very well. There's so many courses on Instagram now on how to use Canva very well. Take a couple of them, learn your skill well, go to those brands that are making all these ugly flyers and all those ugly templates on their page and tell them that this is something that you can do, and then they'll pay you well. Go to multiple brands and then you're earning your cool cash. So my money makers, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching to this point. I really appreciate that you watched my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and give this video a like, which is a thumbs up. The button you're seeing right there, yeah, please click it. And also comment if there's any business that I've mentioned that you want to start. If there's any advice I can give you, I would definitely love to give you as well. Displayed on the screen right now is my business talks playlist, where I talk everything business for you to excel in your business. I would advise that you check it out and watch a couple of videos or all the videos there. And also displayed on the screen right now is a video for you to watch next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.